My name is Herm Calls. I'm president of Graphic Systems, and I've had this company here for the last 22 years. We are a large digital printer. I mean, we produce anywhere from 100 to 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 pieces, which is not unusual for us to do that. When we first started out in this endeavor with a digital printing, a lot of people made the assumption that we were good for the onesie-twosies, but that's just not the case. With the equipment we got for us to run the job through here, whether it's 1,000 or 4,000, 5,000, we're up to the task to get that through our system and get it out to the customer. Our clients that we deal with are all major retailers. For example, we deal with North Face, Walking Company, Select Comfort, Harry & David, just to name a few, Target Optical, Sunglass Hut. We started with Durst when they first came out with the Lambda printers, and we, at that time, got 5 of the Lambda printers. But as they progressed with digital printers to 160s and then upgraded their array of printers, we've always stuck with them. One of the reasons was because the technology changed so fast during that time frame, and if you were not in that technology, you were going to be left behind in terms of competing in the marketplace. So from that standpoint, we were with them. And one of the reasons that we stayed with them for such a long time, they were always very innovative with their products. When they came out with new equipment, it was always faster. It was always had a better quality than what the previous printers had. And from my perspective, this industry is driven by technology in terms of having the best equipment that's out there. They have a good product, and they stand behind their product. And part of our growth over the years, we've always grown every year, even during the downtimes, 2007, 2008, 2009, was because we had the technology in order to produce and satisfy our customer base. We're very much in tune with the equipment that is out there, and we always found that Durst was always ahead of the game compared to their competition. And again, the quality of products that they produced over the years has been very helpful in growing our business. We've dealt with them for over 12 years with their products. We don't have any issues, again, with the service end of it, because if your equipment's down and you don't have the service, you're in trouble. You're going to be losing money during that downtime, and the relationship that we have with Durst is an excellent relationship. I think when you talk to people that may deal with other brands of printers, at least the feedback I get from some of these people that have that equipment, one of the biggest complaints is the service aspect of it. And with Durst, they are very responsive. They have a 24-hour line that you can call them on to get information if needed. But also here in Minneapolis, they have 3 technicians that are available, or somebody will come in here and be able to resolve the issues that may come up. A year ago, put in the Row 1000, which is a great printer where we can print 135 48 by 96 boards an hour, which is unheard of with the other equipment that is out there in the marketplace. But it isn't just that you can run them fast, but you also get good quality. So the industry is changing. It's very competitive. From my perspective, in terms with screen printing versus digital printing, and that's been proven by the accounts that we've been able to bring on as a customer at Graphic Systems. This again is Herm Calls from Graphic Systems. I'm president of the company, and like I said before, we're very happy with the Durst product.